It's been a minute. Seriously, I haven't created content in a while. But fresh on the content train. Oh, my bad. It's Kale from my garden. Oh yeah, I got a garden. Yeah, I'm a plant daddy. I'm a plant zaddy. But now just decided we're gonna do some kale chips. I'm gonna do some Old Bay seasoning, some garlic. We're gonna have fun with it. But this ain't that video. This is just like me kind of knocking the rust off because I haven't done this in a minute. So it's like a testing 1, 2, 3, if you would. But man, this was good. I really haven't connected with y'all in a minute. So stay tuned. It's gonna be fun. And again, I'm just being goofy right now because I'm like, I'm not gonna say I'm nervous, but I'm gonna say that I feel rusty. So this is like me and y'all connecting right now and me just kind of letting it out. We good? I see y'all. Oh yeah, Healthiest, go get your merch.